So we arrived to Singapore, Changi Airport. It's so nice here, so clean, really. Everything is so clean. We are waiting for our bags.
Hi travelers, I am Mats and welcome to Travel With Me, your go-to guide for all travel adventure. I have been lucky enough to explore numerous countries and I am sharing my tips and tricks with you. So hit that subscribe button and let's explore the world together.
OK，你回到完就了，来，高速度回来。好，这样好。
It's actually amazing here. You could check your bags early, so if you come here more than 3 hours before your flight, you can still check your bags and go inside the airport and enjoy this amazing airport. Many branded name. Also, if you buy something here, you can ask for tax refund. And it's almost in every single country. I am not sure if it's every single country, but many countries here in Asia. So if you buy something, you can ask for a refund. It's not for like everything. It's like probably for most expensive stuff, like some bags or something, shoes, etc. So it's not like for everything. Yeah, you know what I mean. Oh, you can go to the garden. Where is that? We will go to the garden definitely. Oh, it's amazing. You can go out. Wow. Let's check some planes. I love this airport. I really do. You can see everything here. So we actually flew with Scoot last time from Ho Chi Minh here, and it was really good experience. It's low cost, but it was really good, yeah. So we are getting to the second floor. Yes, so this is the second floor. Game on restaurants, bars, etc. Yeah, so definitely we are going to find some lounge if I see something incredibly. Well, I will record it again, but we are on our way to the lunch.